Hello student, in this video we will see exercise 10.3 questions. Let's see. Now we will see exercise 10.3 question number 2, that is find the angle between the vectors, the vector A and B given here. Solution, the first one I will take vector A is equal to I cap minus 2j cap plus 3k cap, and vector B is equal to 3i cap minus 2j cap plus k cap. We know that the formula to find the angle between the vector is, that is cos theta is equal to a vector dot b vector upon mod of a vector mod of b vector. Here first I will find mod of a vector, that is a means I square, 1 square means 1, 2 square means 4 plus 3 square means 9, which is equal to root 14. Here I will find mod of b, 9 plus 4 plus 1 under root, which is equal to root 14. Now I will do vector A into dot into vector B, that is vector A is given I cap minus 2 j cap plus 3 k cap dot, see this is dot product, not a cross product, 3 I cap minus 2 j cap plus k cap, which is equal to, let's see, I into 3i cap into I cap. Here this minus will become plus 4, 2 into 2 is 4 j into j here plus 3 k cap into k cap. Here I will write I cap I is equal to j dot j, which is equal to k cap dot k cap, which is equal to 1. This whole term I dot into I is 3 into 1 is 3 plus 4 plus 3, which is equal to 10. A dot into B, which is equal to 10. Now I will substitute all the values in formula. Cos theta is equal to 10 upon root 14 into root 14, which is equal to 10 upon root 14 into 14 is 14, which is equal to 5 by 7. Here cos theta is equal to 5 by 4. Therefore theta is equal to cos inverse of 5 by 4. So in this way we can find out the angle between the two vectors. Now we will see another example how to find angle between the vectors. Solution, first I will take, let vector A is equal to I cap plus j cap plus k cap, and vector B is equal to 2i cap minus 2j cap plus 2 k cap. We know that formula cos theta is equal to a vector dot b vector upon mod of vector a into mod of vector b. Here I will find mod of vector a, that is I 1 square plus 1 square plus 1, which is equal to root 3, and mod of vector b is equal to, just see, 2 square means 4 plus 4 plus 4 under root, which is equal to 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 4 is root 12. Now a vector dot b vector, which is equal to I cap plus j cap plus k cap dot 2I minus 2j cap plus 2k cap. Here cos theta is equal to upon mod of a vector mod of b vector. Here I will just put all the values, I cap plus j cap plus k cap dot 2I cap minus 2j cap plus 2k cap. Already we got mod of vector a and mod of vector b, that is root 3 into root 12, which is equal to, just see, I into 2 into I, that is 2 minus 2 plus 2. Here root 3 into root 12 is root 36. Here we let plus minus, we left with 2 upon root 36 is 6. This is 1 by 3. 1 by 3 cos theta is equal to 1 by 3. Here we will get theta is equal to cos inverse of 1 by 3. In this way we can find out the angle between the two vectors. This is very important question for your annual examination. Now we will see question number 3, that is find the projection of the vector I cap minus j cap on the vector I cap plus j cap. Solution. First I will take a vector is equal to I cap minus j cap and b vector is equal to I cap plus j cap. Here we have formula to find projection of the vector a cap dot b vector upon modulus of b vector, that is equal to a vector is given to us, that is I cap minus j cap dot b vector is given to us, that is I cap plus j cap upon mod of b vector, that is 1 square. Here 1 square plus 1, which is equal to root 2. Here I into I plus I into j minus j cap into j dot minus j dot into j dot, which is equal to I into I is 1 plus j dot j is 1 minus 1, and this is minus 1, which is equal to 2 minus 2 upon root 2, which is equal to 0. In this way we can find the